What's up, guys? Welcome to Genius Cluster. Do not buy any used iPhone. Yeah, do not buy any used iPhone until you will watch my video, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you can check whether a phone is a brand new or refurbishment or a replacement, because they are the three phones are running in the market. A brand new, which is coming directly from a company and you're opening a box and you are using it. The refurbishment is a repaired phone. Normally companies, they are buying the damaged phones and they are repairing and they are selling in the market. Replacement, you can find any warranty replacement or different replacement sets are there in the market with the different names. So that's, you can check by your own while purchasing your phone, because you don't need to focus on a person who is selling your phone, because he is demanding. So you have to see and you have to check whether the demand is correct or not. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you will be mastered while purchasing any used phone. So please click on the settings. After clicking the settings, you can go to the general. Once you will click on the general, the first option, which is about, click on about, and the fourth option, which is model number, because the starting alphabet of model number will decides the phone. So M, it starts with M. M meanings it is a brand new. If it is N, N for Nancy, so it is replacement. And if it is F, F for refurbishment. So this phone M starts with, it's a brand new phone. So that's how you can see the detail by your own before purchasing your phone from any person, any shop, any mall, anywhere. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe my channel and click on the bell button to get my most recent videos coming. Thank you. Have a great day.